Hello and welcome everybody to this another lesson from business communication. As usual, today we will be discussing about formal business reports. I'm Adnan Ayaz and let's see what we have for today. First thing we have the topic we will be discussing will be types of formal reports or formal business reports. The first question arises, what is a formal business report? Well, a formal business report is an official document that contains data, research information, and other necessary details to help the decision makers form plans and objectives to help the company. Depending on the topic, a formal business report could be several pages long and include extensive data and information. Below are a few of the most common types of formal business reports designated by a purpose. So let's have a look at number one. Number one comes as justification or recommendation report. You can use this report to propose an idea to management. The body would include sections like risk, costs, and benefits. An example of this type of report would be to propose buying a machine from your workplace. To convince the decision maker to buy the machine, you would create this report to make a convincing argument. Let's jump to number two, which is investigative report. As the word suggests, this report can present the potential of or the potential risk of specific opportunity. This report is helpful for business owners to anticipate any issues involved in making an investment or purchase. You could also create a formal business report to analyze a proposed merger. And now moving on to number three, compliance report. This type of report is organized when the organization wants to show the accountability and create a compliance report. It is a report that allows an organization to prove that it is following regulations or rules and regulations and that it is spending money properly. For example, an accountant could write a compliance report to show the company followed federal laws regarding spending. Moving on to number four, and it is feasibility report. When you need to analyze the outcomes of a proposed idea, you can use this report. The report could cover potential problems, associated costs, and the benefits of the idea. With this report, you can determine if the proposal will be profitable, if the deadline is feasible, and if there is a chance that it could exceed the budget. That's what we call a feasibility report. Now moving on to number five, research studies reports. This report or this type of report helps you analyze a problem. The report could include or would include recommendations to resolve the problems. Moving on to number six, research studies report. This report helps you analyze a problem. The report will be including recommendations to resolve the problem. That's number six. Now moving on to number seven, a periodic report. This report helps an organization improve its products, services, processes, or policies. The report can include things like profit and loss information, or it may examine the efficiency. For instance, a retail store would have a monthly report on its sales. Moving on to number eight, a situational report. To discuss a specific topic, such as information from a conference, we use a situational report. I hope this one is better, and this one is rather easier. Moving on to number nine, a yardstick report. This one can be used, there is some grammatical error. So this one can be used to present several solutions as options to a particular situations. So today, that's it, what we're gonna do for today. We will have the how to write a formal business report and its format, a sample kind of thing in the next video, hopefully. Thank you very much for watching this and have a wonderful, wonderful day.